akuzuthi igama lakho nje lokuthi-ke ukhanye ukhalela na.
My name is Dr. ngomunye Moyo. We are not very happy as a disabled people in the way how the names were swept away. The names as one of our a very good icon who were looking forward for his contesting also in the battle of election voting, which is our Dr. Masuku, who also contributes timely and every time to people who are disabled, as well as also the liberation struggle, the war veterans. And we don't know who authorized that to move his name away to be also participating for the contesting in the.
Are you in ZANU-PF yourself?
Currently, for my own information, yes, I am.
And then
I'm a veteran ZANU-PF. I'm a legend. And
so basically, you did these primaries because wanted to choose the best candidates, and
yes.
Now your candidate, his name was removed.
His name was moved by one of the one of the notorious, and I don't know who gave him the post which doesn't belong to him, and who elected him. I'm talking about Mashaba. Anyway, who is Mashaba to remove people's registration? Because he moved Masuku, he moved also Kerepu Sengu, and many others. On which terms?
What do you think this will do to the party? We're looking at the forthcoming elections. Is it going to divide the party? What do you think?
Currently, as long as President hasn't step up his foot and discipline to Mashaba, it will cause some critical division worse than when R.J. Mugabe was there. Because Mashaba is one of the biggest poison in the party. And I also educate, warning up to be not close out to Mashaba, especially our very candidate whom we respect, Tshisa Sibanda. He has to open 4 eyes. He must be very careful. And that post which is being held with Mashaba doesn't belong to him. It belongs to Chingadube. Who gave him? I don't have even one of that report to know that we've got a person who will be in charge of the elections. Mashaba is what?